What's going on, guys? Another video back again, trying to do this as much as possible. But today we're gonna finally clean the Yota. I mentioned it in another video, but the throttle was sticking, so let me show you guys what I did to solve that. It's kind of ghetto, but it works. So I got to take the car back off in order to fix this thing, but it's not sticking anymore. But if I take even one of these off, it'll stick and it'll stay stuck. But we're gonna give her a good wash. As you guys can see, it's a pretty bad, but I mentioned it in the other video, but now we got it fixed. We're gonna give her a good wash, and yeah, I'll get some B-roll footage for you guys and we'll go from there. Alright guys, a little reminder, when you're washing something that is white, wear your glasses, because I wasn't wearing mine and I could barely even see once I went in the house. So don't forget, wear your glasses, safety third, or you're going to go blind and then you can't drive nothing cool again. right, guys, got the Yota cleaned. Man, is it just me, or when I clean these trucks, it just makes me want to drive just that truck. But she is bright. Mind you, it was backyard paint job, so don't mind all the clear streaks, but look at that. She is looking mint. Oh, and I'm having a little trouble with this side hitting, so it's bowing this fender out. But once I get 4-wheel drive fenders, it'll be all good. But yeah, man, she's looking fresh. Now, I got the 22s back on this pig. Man, paint job on this thing, that thing ain't right, son. But these aren't as bad, it's the backs, because I rotated them. These things are cooked. Can't be riding around looking like that. Oh, it's not. Check that rig out. We drove this thing in the rain, and that was not a good idea because she is disgusting. Let's see if you can see. Oh, you can't really see. But these things are clapped, so we got cobwebs and spider webs growing on. So we're going to try to get these things shined up. This is really just I won't say a detailing video, but it is a detailing video. We're cleaning everything up and whatnot. Try to do it once every blue moon, but you know how that goes. It's hard when you got so much stuff going on. I mean, especially when you got like 10 freaking trucks. But this thing, I'm a work truck, man. She don't never get clean. Wouldn't do a little smiley for the people going down the road, but let's move on to this. All right, guys, like I told y'all before, I have my own detailing company, but I'm not gonna lie, my vehicles don't get what customer vehicles get, man, because none of them have good paint, so I kind of just keep them clean, you know what I'm saying? So I'll show you guys how I clean these 22s I got. I go ahead, this is my little trick, I go ahead and get her wet, and then I take some of this ceramic wax, and I get a good little layer up there, and then I take big old microfiber sponge, and this is just to get all like the big parts, not all the crevices really. And we'll flip it around, make sure you get everything. We'll try to get in here with this big old sponge, but we're gonna keep on doing this and see how she looks when we're done. Everybody's got their own way of doing this stuff. And that thing sounded like a hybrid that just drove by. Then I like to get my rag to get all up in the little spots. But I say but a lot. I'm not even gonna lie. I noticed that in my videos. I can't say that. Alright, so that's how we do that, guys. Go ahead and leave a comment if you guys want to see more detailing videos. I mean, they're pretty fun to make, and plus it's something I gotta do anyway. I gotta keep these things looking halfway decent. So yeah, if you guys want to see some more, let me know down in the comments, and be glad to show some more. Maybe it'll give me some motivation to keep all my trucks clean. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning this thing up, and I will show you guys the aftermath. She ain't bad for an old beat up pickup truck. Got her all clean, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the wheels. Shoo-wee. Look at them things. Don't even look real. But yeah, got everything cleaned up. I'm actually gonna spray off the daily for once because you know I never do that. And I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. So I'm not gonna show you guys too much of this thing because it's gonna be quick, simple, easy, just water, no soap, no nothing. But thank you guys for watching, the likes, the views, everything, the comments. But yeah, guys, leave me a comment if you want to see more like detailing stuff or whatever. It's pretty fun to do, whatnot. You got to keep them looking good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.